What's up, everyone? Today is Mukbang Day. So today we have a special guest and her name is Lila. Hello, everyone. So she first appeared in one of the FruitBowl stories, The New Student. And we have the link down below, so feel free to watch it if you'd like. Lila, would you like to tell us what we will be making today? Yes, today we'll be making ramen. So we have two different types of ramen, classic spicy and spicy cheese flavor. And I'll be making spicy cheese. And I'll be making classic spicy. So first, let's put these noodle blocks in these boiling pots. Now, let's add these noodles into the soup mix. Wow, it sure smells good. Oh yes, absolutely. So over here, along with our ramen, we prepared some orange juice, some lemonade, and some dumplings. Now let's eat! Lila, what's wrong? You good? It's hot! Too hot! Must drink juice! Wait, let me try. Wow, it is spicy. I did not expect this ramen to be this spicy. Guess we'll have to drink our juices while eating these spicy noodles. Wow, this ramen is way too hot for us to finish. But guys, that'll be all for today's cooking video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more videos like these. Bye! Bye!